Hey there, today I'm going to be showing you how you could use Sofer.Ai as a teacher, an educator, or as a Rebbe. So first, what is Sofer.Ai? So it all starts with our transcription, and we have transcription that's able to handle English, Hebrew, Aramaic, Yiddish, Yeshivish, whatever may be in your shir or in your class, that mix of languages, that's what we designed our transcription to handle. And this is what opens up everything up. Once we could get a really nice transcript of your shir, of your class, there's a lot that we could do. And just first, while on this page, I'd like to point out we have word level timestamp. So any word that you see, you could click and you could listen from to the audio from that point. It'll bring you
Yitzchak too settled in.
Not only that, based off of this, we have timestamped topical outline. So you could click any topic here, and it'll bring you to that point in the class. So you could listen to it. You could find the ideas that you're interested in, and we have summaries here. This is the basic transcript page, and this is what the transcription, again, is what opens everything up. So what does it allow you to do? So what I want to show you are a couple of features and how you could use them as teachers. The first feature I want to show you is our transformations feature, and what this allows you to do is to select any transcript or document you have on Sofer.Ai and to transform it, hence the name. And what do I mean by transform? It means you could take the text of the transcript and turn it into another output. You could turn it into a specific style of notes, a specific summary style, or one that I really like is that you could ask it to list all of the Makoros, all the sources that were mentioned in the shir. So now you can have a really nice Makoro sheet of what was mentioned in the shir. You could even turn it into Chazara questions or questions that you want to give your students that they should be able to answer these questions. So let me show you as an example. I'll do that last example here. So all you have to do is write in this prompt box what you want the output to be. So I'm going to write the questions example. So okay, I sped that up so you didn't have to watch me slowly type, but I wrote, provide a list of 15 questions that test comprehension of the material and focus on the most important points. Then below the list of questions, provide an answer key. So all we have to do after writing our prompt here, we click run, and this is going to run. And we have more details about how to use this and different specific points, and we have a tutorial section on the site deep diving just on how to use the transformations feature here. But you can see here, this should be ready any second. Here we go. So here we have now our list of questions based off of this content right here, this class right here, and an answer key. This is a way that I know teachers are already using this, is they're giving their students this list of questions after every class that they should be able to answer these questions after listening to this class. So that's the first one, and really this feature is up to your imagination. Whatever you want to create based off of your class, you could do right here. You could save the output, download the output, and not only that, you could have it automated, so every single class you upload to Sofer.Ai, you will get the output that you desire. The second feature I want to show you on Sofer.Ai is Meshiv. Meshiv is our AI search where you could search across all your transcripts, all your documents that you have on Sofer.Ai. Let me demo it for you with a question based off of the shir we were just looking at. What did we say about the Krushim? So you can ask a question as broad as this or something more specific. But what this will do is search all your documents and find the answer based off of your content. I was actually just speaking to a teacher today that said he uses Sofer.Ai to record all of his classes, transcribe with Sofer.Ai, and then uses Meshiv when he wants to make tests for his students. He first searches for the concepts he wants to test on to see, to verify how he explained it in class so he could appropriately write the test questions. So here we go, we have the answer, and we have a deep dive on how this format works in our tutorial section as well. But you can see here, anything that's highlighted in blue is a direct quote from the transcript. It's not AI generated, and you can see most of the answer is coming directly from your class. What's amazing is you could click any of these citations and it'll bring you to the full transcript, so you can see all the context there if you want to see more context. Or you could just click the direct quote that's highlighted in blue, and it'll bring you to a section around that part of the transcript, so you could see more context right on the same page. And not only that, you could click anywhere in this section of context to hear the audio of how you or the speaker said it, so you could hear it with your own ears to verify that this is how it was said. So for example, you could click here.
Yaakov Avinu had Ruach
You could
HaKodesh.
hear the audio right on the spot to hear how it was said. Those are the main two features that we have right now on Sofer.Ai and that teachers are utilizing. For Meshiv, I should mention, we are working as well to make it possible to share your knowledge base, your version of Meshiv with others. So if that would be interesting as a teacher to share it with your class so they could query the transcripts, that is something we could definitely set up. And there's just one more feature that I want to show you that I know Rebbes and teachers are using, and that's our OCR text extraction. And what this means is that you could upload an image, a full PDF, or even on mobile, take a picture with your phone of a picture of a Sefer and upload it here, and we'll extract the text for you. So let me show you what that looks like. So here I took a picture of a page in the Pnei Yeshua, and what our OCR was able to do is extract the text as it appears in the image and give it to you in a really nice format that you can work with. We keep the column structure so it's easy to visually line it up, and you can even edit it up if you would like. And there's a couple of ways that Rebbeim and teachers are using this. The first one is if you want to make a Makoro sheet and give pieces of text from certain Sfarim, you could take a picture of the Sefer, get the text, copy and paste it, and then put it on the Makoro sheet. The second one, which I think is really, really fantastic, is you could upload a full PDF to our OCR. It could be hundreds of pages long, and then you could add that whole OCR, the hundreds of pages, to Meshiv, and then you could essentially search within the whole Sefer or the whole PDF for where was this idea talked about, where did the Sefer mention this, I remember I read this once to the Sefer, can you find it, and just as a research tool to help you find ideas. I think it's extremely powerful and just really works in the ecosystem of Sofer.Ai really nicely. But that's not everything we have on Sofer.Ai. If you're interested, we have other features as well that might be relevant. And not only that, the opposite is also true. There's some cool things that teachers I've seen are doing that once they have the transcript from Sofer.Ai, they can then take it to these AI slide making apps and other apps out there based off the text and create slides and create really fantastic visualizations based off of it. But really, the core is that if you have good transcription that could capture what you spoke about, there's so much amazing stuff you could do nowadays with the tools out there. So it's a really exciting time. Please reach out if this is interesting to you, if you have feature ideas for how we could use this to help teachers, to help students, to help educators, and we'd love to hear from you.